Hi, today we will take a look at a double hung unit, while at the same time looking at what machining for that unit may look like. Located in the top right corner is a view of what this unit may look like while going through production. I, however, will mainly focus on the EZ-WinDoor side of things. We start off by selecting our double hung system and then sizing the unit to 22 inches by 44 inches. We then add in our standard frame layer. Next, we add in our horizontal divider. Once we have our divider, we can add in our sashes. We will start with the lower sash. For the lower sash, we will add a simple 2x2 light pattern. This sash will slide up using a spring balance set of hardware. Now that the lower sash is finished, we switch over to the frame layer and add in the upper sash. Again, we will use a 2x2 light pattern. EZ-WinDoor, however, allows for easy changes at a moment's notice. Let's change the 2x2 into a single light. With its modular design, EZ-WinDoor can connect to small individual machines or highly complex production lines, sending a seamless flow of data throughout the process. Whether custom one-offs or mass production, EZ-WinDoor will provide the machining files, paperwork, etc., making sure to eliminate lead times throughout the entire process. These are but a few of the things EZ-WinDoor can do. If you are a small joinery, wood shop, fabricator, or even a high-volume manufacturer, please consider us and visit our website at www.wbsystech.com. Links will be in the description.